Morning guys, as promised I'm going to do a quick little review on the actorbaitboat. Used it the first time yesterday on the lake, managed to position it perfectly with a deeper to find out what was going on below the surface, and the result ended up in a nice 54-pound catfish. So as you can see and sitting in the water there, the mk4i with the deeper Pro Plus on the back, and let's do a little bit of a drive around. So far I've had no issues whatsoever as far as distance. Okay, it's not a massive lake, but it's not been out of range or anything, which is really good. Control's always been very accurate. All the hoppers have opened first time. The nice thing about it is the middle hopper has just got enough space for a decent amount of bait without overdoing it. As far as loading the hopper is concerned, what I've done was put the weight in the rig in the centre hopper first, then loaded the particles and the boilies on top of that, and then laid the hook bait on the very top, which allowed the drop to be perfect. And the good thing about it is that as you drop it, you can actually feel the lead down as if you cast as normal. And then you can tighten up. Also, you're able to leave the boat out there while you sort your rods out and everything else, and it just floats around. And let's put it over towards the deeper. 2 seconds. I'll put it on the app on here. I don't know how clear it's going to be on there. You get a good idea of the bottom with this deeper on the back. The deeper arm that I've got, which is the offset one, works perfectly. Easy to put on, easy to take off. I'll put the link from where I've got the arm from. But overall, brilliant boat, and for the money I think I paid 240 quid for this one. It's got a 10 amp hour battery on it, which so far I've been on the lake for 2 days and it's still showing as full power, so you can't complain about that. You just have to remember to turn it off each time you bring it in. So yeah, if you're after a bait boat, I can highly recommend the Actor. I'll put their details in the link. Head over to their website and have a look. Cheers guys, catch you all soon.